how to disconnect your Shopify store account with your Vimeo on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to disconnect your Shopify store with your Vimeo, just go here on Vimeo. This is the home page. Click here and now go down to settings, and all what you have to do is simple. Now all what you have to do is click here, connected apps, scroll down and you will find Shopify, and here on this little option you will find disconnect. If your Shopify is connected, just click on it and it's gonna be disconnected successfully. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.